Blessed morning to our honorable principal sir, respected coordinator, teachers and all my dear friends. Let us start our day with a prayer song. Friends, join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer song. To say the Bible verse from the Holy Bible. Good morning. Today's Bible verse is taken from Galatians chapter 5 verse 22-23. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness and self-control. Against this there is no law. Amen. Now Lord's Prayer. Repeat the prayer after Darren. Father in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. I call Ashley to deliver today's thought for the day. Good morning. Today's thought is the value of a man resides in what he gives. Thank you. Graciela is here to present Tirukkural for the day. வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள். இனிய உளவாக இன்னாத கூறல் கனி இருப்ப காய் கவர்ந்தற்று. விளக்கம். இனிமையான சொற்கள் இருக்கும்போது அவற்றை விடுத்து கடுமையாக பேசுவது கனிகளை ஒதுக்கிவிட்டு காய்களை பறித்து தின்பதற்கு சமமாகும். இன்றைய நாள் இனிய நாளாக அமைய என் வாழ்த்துக்கள். Sharon is here to present vocabulary for the day. Good morning. Today's vocabulary is generous. It means willing to give or share with others. For example, my grandmother is generous because she always helps people in need. Thank you. Ashrit is here to present interesting facts. Good morning. Today's interesting facts are about sun. The sun is a star, not a planet. The sun is about 5 billion years old. It is a huge star, more than 1 million that would fit inside the sun. The sun appears yellow from Earth, but looks white from space. Thank you. Now it's time for a special program. Let's watch and enjoy. Good morning everyone. Today we are here to celebrate World Humanitarian Day. Humanity means caring for others, helping people in need, showing kindness, respecting everyone and spreading love and peace. We are young, but a small act of kindness can make a big difference. A smile, a helping hand, sharing with a friend, or saying a kind word can brighten up someone's day. Through today's special program, we will learn that every one of us can be a little hero of humanity. With great joy, I welcome you all to our special assembly on World Humanitarian Day. I call Joel Levan for the speech. Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about humanity. Humanity means being kind, caring and helpful to everyone. It means showing love and respect to all people, no matter who they are. We can show humanity make a big difference. We should also be kind to animals and protect nature because they are world of part too. Let us remember, kindness costs nothing, but it means everything. Let us promise to be kind, helpful, and respectful every day. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Have you ever helped a friend, shared your lunch, or spoken kindly to someone? Those small acts show humanity. Humanity means being kind, caring, and respectful to everyone. It is not about doing big things, it is about doing small good deeds every day. Here are 5 important values that help us show humanity. Let's watch and enjoy. I am responsibility. Responsibility means doing our duties well. We should complete our homework on time. We should clean our classrooms and home clean. We should take care of our books and belongings. Responsible children can be trusted.
I am respect. Respect means be polite. We should listen when others are speaking. We should use kind words like please and thank you. We should respect our parents, teachers, friends and elders. We should also respect nature and animals. Thank you.
I am compassion. Compassion means caring about others' feelings. We should help people who are in need. We should comfort friends who are inside. We should be kind to animals. A small act of kindness can make someone smile. Thank you.
Good morning. I am honesty. Honesty means always telling the truth. We should admit our mistake. We should never cheat or lie. Honesty people earn everyone's trust. Honesty makes us good citizens. Thank you.
Fairness. Fairness means treating everyone equally. We should take turns while playing. We should share our things to others. We should follow the rules. Fairness helps everyone feel happy and included. Thank you. Let us be fair, respectful, responsible, honest, and compassionate every day. Thank you.
Now it's time for a dance. Let's watch and enjoy. Thank you. Have a happy learning.